Brad Schimmel just filing this appeal in federal court in Chicago. It bluntly states that a federal magistrate's ruling last month in Milwaukee deciding that Brendan Dassey should be freed is wrong. Dassey's case received international attention, of course, as you said, when the Making a Murderer series became a hit on Netflix, detailing the prosecution and conviction of Dassey and his uncle Stephen Avery in the murder of Teresa Halbach. The interrogation of Dassey became the focus of much criticism and the key to his appeal. Federal Judge William Duffin ruled last month Dassey was coerced by investigators into confessing against his constitutional rights. He ordered Dassey released from prison in 90 days unless the state appealed, which is what they're now doing. Attorney General Brad Schimmel saying this afternoon in a statement, quote, "Two state courts carefully examined the evidence and properly concluded Brendan Dassey's confession was voluntary, and the investigators did not use constitutionally impermissible tactics." Now, Schimmel says they've been in contact with Halbach's family, who he says fully support the state's decision to, quote, seek justice on behalf of their daughter. Brendan Dassey will remain in prison in Portage while the case heads to the Federal Court of Appeals in Chicago. There is a possibility of a new bail hearing. We'll keep you posted on that. There's no date yet set for any proceedings in that federal appeals court. Live in the newsroom, Nick Board, WISN 12 News. Back to you.
Thank you, Nick. And we called Dassey's attorney for comment within the last 30 minutes. He got back to us saying he's disappointed but not surprised by the move. In a statement, Bond Dvorak says, quote, "Judge Duffin wrote a thoughtful opinion that we are prepared to defend." Stephen Avery is also in the process of trying to get his conviction overturned. Last month, his attorney, Kathleen Zellner, filed a motion asking for the testing and retesting of hundreds of pieces of evidence in this case. Now, Zellner says the new test will show if Avery's blood was planted at the crime scene. She expects test results in about 3 months. Zellner is also responding to today's news, tweeting this a little more than an hour ago. Wisconsin AG appealing Brennan's decision, just prolonging the injustice. And there is a lot to this story. We have complete coverage on our website, WISN.com. Anytime there's a development in this case, of course, we will send alerts directly to your smartphone. You can download our app for free to your phone or your tablet.